rapidly evolving world, a nation's strength and resilience is in the robust healthcare sector. As the backbone of Bharat's prosperity, healthcare is not just essential for individual well-being, but also drives the nation's progress and economic growth. As Bharat strides towards the goal of universal healthcare, persistent endeavors and strategic initiatives are shaping a healthcare system that is more inclusive and sustainable, ensuring the well-being of all citizens. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the government has implemented holistic measures to tackle healthcare challenges in Bharat. The government is prioritizing the reduction of heavy expenses, ensuring affordability and achieving universal healthcare coverage. Initiatives like Ayushman Bharat, the establishment and enhancement of medical colleges and AIIMS institutions, and the promotion of generic medicines through Jan Aushadhi centers have significantly increased the accessibility and affordability of healthcare services. The government's commitment to thriving healthcare infrastructure and services underscores its dedication to enhancing the health and well-being of all citizens of Bharat. As Bharat progresses towards its goal of becoming a global healthcare hub, the efforts led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi have laid the groundwork for a stronger and more resilient nation. The dedication to health and well-being is evident not just in policies but also in the aspiration to build a future where every citizen can receive quality healthcare services regardless of their socio-economic background. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, the government has made significant strides in improving medical education and healthcare infrastructure. These initiatives have led to the construction of over 692 medical colleges and the approval of 22 new AIIMS. Additionally, there has been substantial growth in the number of MBBS seats, which increased from 51,348 in 2014 to 1,05,163 in 2023. Similarly, the number of PG seats has also seen commendable progress, rising from 31,185 in 2014 to 66,898 in 2023. These achievements highlight the government's dedication to strengthening a robust medical education system in the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has led significant initiatives in the healthcare sector, fundamentally altering the landscape of medical services in Bharat. With a steadfast commitment to achieving health for all, the administration has introduced a range of ambitious programs aimed at enhancing the accessibility, affordability and quality of healthcare services nationwide. Under Prime Minister Modi's guidance, the healthcare industry has experienced a notable transformation, emphasizing preventive healthcare, infrastructure enhancement and the integration of innovative technologies.
भारत के हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम को ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है, स्वस्थ समाज का निर्माण करना है, तो हमें होलिस्टिक सोच के साथ काम करना होगा। पारंपरिक और आधुनिक इलाज की साझा ताकत को मजबूत करना है। आयुष और मॉडर्न हेल्थ केयर का एक साथ एक बराबर विकास होगा, तभी बेहतर स्वास्थ्य समाधान हम तैयार कर पाएंगे। साथियों, आयुष्मान भारत योजना इसी सोच का परिणाम है। इसमें प्रिवेंटिव हेल्थ केयर को ध्यान में रखते हुए हेल्थ और वेलनेस सेंटर खोले जा रहे हैं और दूसरी तरफ गंभीर बीमारी के मुफ्त इलाज के लिए पीएम जन आरोग्य योजना चलाई जा रही है, पीएम जय। हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस सेंटर प्रिवेंटिव और अफोर्डेबल हेल्थ केयर का एक अनूठा और अभूतपूर्व मॉडल है। इन सेंटर्स में प्रिवेंशन के भी उपाय हैं और क्योर की भी व्यवस्था है। साथियों, जब हम देश में 1.5 लाख हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस सेंटर खोल रहे हैं तो आयुष को भी हमने हमारा को ट्रैवलर बनाया है, साथी बनाया है, हम उसको भूले नहीं हैं।
Charting on this path to prosperity, Bharat 2050, the Adani Foundation is working tirelessly for the health and well-being of our nation's communities. With a commitment to serving the most vulnerable, their roadmap is clear: to empower every corner of Bharat with access to essential healthcare resources and services. At the heart of this mission lies the deployment of resources and services directly onto the ground where they are needed the most, with dedication to strive and bridge the gap between healthcare and those who need it, ensuring that no one is left behind. Their vision extends far beyond accessibility. They are determined to elevate the standard of healthcare available to every citizen of Bharat. From running wellness centers and rural clinics to organizing expansive health camps, their initiatives spare no effort in building and running state-of-the-art multi-specialty hospitals that cater to the diverse needs of the nation. With a focus on pan-India projects spanning across the vast expanse of a nation, the Adani Group has recognized that true progress knows no bounds, and the commitment to serving every community, regardless of location, remains unwavering. Together, with the tireless support of a dedicated team, they are laying the foundation for a healthier, more prosperous Bharat. As we navigate the path towards 2050, let us forge ahead with determination, knowing that our efforts today will shape the destiny of generations to come. With the Adani Foundation leading the charge, we are not only investing in healthcare, but also in the promise of a brighter, healthier future for Bharat. In the remote corners of our nation, where access to healthcare is often a distant dream, the Adani Foundation stands tall, actively bridging the gap with a robust network of rural clinics and health camps. Their mission is to empower the underprivileged with a special focus on the most vulnerable segments of society: women, children, and the elderly. In these rural clinics, operated with never-dying dedication, lives are transformed. The Adani Foundation not only provides medical care and services, but delivers them with compassion and commitment. The Adani Foundation MHCUs represent a lifeline for those in remote and underserved areas, delivering immediate medical assistance directly to their doorsteps. These units not only provide critical healthcare services, but also alleviate the burdens of transportation, consultations, and medication costs, thereby making a tangible impact on the lives of countless beneficiaries. With 20 mobile healthcare units operational, including 18 under the Adani Foundation and 2 at ACC sites, spanning 14 locations, the Adani Group extends vital healthcare access to 340 villages, administering approximately 370,000 treatments annually. Their comprehensive healthcare services encompass a wide spectrum, ranging from cardiovascular and lifestyle diseases to obstetric and gynecologic care, ensuring holistic medical support for diverse healthcare needs within these communities. In the rugged terrain of Sainj in Himachal Pradesh, the Adani Foundation's Mobile Healthcare Unit, or the MHCU, and Healthcare Centre have become vital lifelines, braving harsh weather and treacherous roads to provide free consultation, examination, and medication to over 14,000 patients. Led by their dedicated medical professional, Dr. Priyanka Gautam, these initiatives not only treat illnesses but also empower the community through awareness sessions, ensuring access to quality healthcare and restoring hope to those in need, embodying the Arogya mantra of Bharat: Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramaya.
We are covering more than 16 plus villages, and that too is a highlight only, because if we are visiting a village, That village to itself covers 5 to 6 adjoining villages. This high terrain, what we are facing from general ailment, starting from viral, common influenza, conjunctivitis, otitis media, to SD, means skin related dermatological, because in high altitude sun is overhead. So skin diseases, then common virals, then chronic diseases also we are having, like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, gout is very common, and some gynec problems are very common. 5 years what I have seen, beneficiary account, you might believe 30,000 beneficiaries, 30,000 plus beneficiaries. I'm telling you the direct numbers, indirect beyond, because phonically, social media, जो भी रिपोर्ट्स आती हैं वो डिफरेंट है, बट जो मेरे पास डाटा है वो 30,000 का है. अब घर में डोर स्टेप पे जाके उनको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट एवरीथिंग यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग देम, तो उनका जो ट्रेवल टाइम है, जो हार्डशिप्स हैं, ट्रॉमा, मेंटल ट्रॉमा, मैं बार बार ये बोलती हूँ क्योंकि वो बहुत है यहाँ पे, वो रिड्यूस हो रहा है, तो आप क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ को सीधा ही डायरेक्टली इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे हो. प्रीति अदानी मैन चेयरपर्सन हैं, प्रीति अदानी मैडम, तो उनका एक विज़न है फॉर अदानी फाउंडेशन, एंड व्हाट्स दैट, बहुत ही अच्छा है, विच इज़ टू अपलिफ्ट द कम्युनिटी इन द विसिनिटी ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ऑपरेशन. जहाँ भी उनका बिजनेस है, कोई भी है, हेरिट्स ऑफ एप्पल, वो आसपास की जो भी कम्युनिटीज़ हैं उनको कैसे अपलिफ्ट करें, वो कैसे पॉसिबल होगा. You can give them good education, you can provide them better medical facilities. So we are dealing with that medical facilities.
While initiatives like mobile healthcare units and health camps strive to address immediate medical needs in remote areas, the Adani Foundation acknowledges the limitations in handling complex cases. The dedicated team ensures a seamless referral process to higher facilities like district hospitals, medical colleges, or AIIMS for advanced treatment. This ensures a holistic approach to healthcare, emphasizing not only the treatment of illnesses within communities, but also the importance of linking patients to appropriate higher level facilities for specialized care. It reflects a commitment to comprehensive healthcare delivery, ensuring that individuals receive the care they require for optimal health outcomes. Through this coordinated effort, Bharat's healthcare system continues to evolve, striving towards greater inclusivity and effectiveness in meeting the diverse needs of its citizens. In the upcoming segment, the Adani Hospital in Mundra showcases premier facilities that are unparalleled in the region, featuring state-of-the-art technology for advanced imaging, guaranteeing accurate diagnosis and paving the way for excellence in healthcare. Quality healthcare access is essential, and the Adani Group has prioritized this need. Through mobile healthcare units, rural clinics, and Adani Hospital in Mundra, they worked to bridge the healthcare gap, serving over 25 plus villages and numerous fishermen settlements, positively impacting thousands of people annually. Their services range from vaccinations to specialized care, driven by the belief that a health community fosters prosperity. The hospital is dedicated to preventing and managing injuries, treating illnesses and disabilities, conducting health checkups, and raising health awareness among individuals. In an era where Atmanirbharta takes the center stage, the Adani Group stands as a pioneer on an innovative journey towards a more promising tomorrow. The Gujarat Adani Institute of Medical Sciences stands as a groundbreaking collaboration between the Government of Gujarat and the Adani Education and Research Foundation, epitomizing a pioneering public-private partnership initiative. At its core lies the GK General Hospital, a beacon of modern healthcare in Kutch and the sole multi-speciality teaching district hospital in the region. Nestled amidst 27 acres of Bhuj town, the campus encompasses the medical college, teaching hospital, hostels for both undergraduate and postgraduate students, as well as residential quarters for our esteemed teaching and non-teaching staff. GK General Hospital's mandate extends beyond boundaries, catering to patients from all walks of life with a special focus on serving the most marginalized, ensuring that healthcare reaches even the poorest of the poor, thus embodying our commitment to a healthier and more equitable Bharat.
The year 2008, the Government of India gave us the opportunity to establish a medical college. And we got the agreement of the hospital, handing over of the hospital for operation and management in 2013. So this hospital has completed 10 years of services to the needy patients of Kutch district. So this is where we say that we are one step, or we are the first step takers towards Atmanirbharta. GAIMS is Gujarat Adani Institute of Medical Sciences, which now has taken over GK General Hospital for the patients' healthcare services, along with the medical college. So in the medical college, we have a lot of newer clinical programs being modulated, and newer academic research is already on the helm. We have been having a very good breakthrough, and many of the breakthrough clinical trials already talk about, even the newer clinical programs are well published in our own journals. Healthcare industry itself is contributing a lot to the economic growth of the country, and GAIMS, being part of Adani Group, is definitely a cornerstone where we talk about there's a lot to be done. And over the last period of last 5 to 6 years, we have brought up so many improvements or infrastructure as well as equipments in case of clinical programs, in case of clinical specialties. Well, with this 30 years of experience, now I would say the healthcare industry is moving towards more towards preventive medicine and more towards target therapies. Definitely in the coming years, 5 to 10 years, there will be more customized and very much targeted therapy given to each and every individual patients. No group of patients will be treated with one prescription. Every individual patient will have their own customized prescription. So this is the scenario, or this is the dream that any of the healthy population can look forward to. I would rather say be healthy, take preventive measures, and take care of your good health.
Amidst the COVID-19 crisis, GK General Hospital swiftly transformed into a dedicated COVID hospital, equipped with 500 plus oxygen beds in response to the unprecedented challenges posed by the pandemic. The Adani Foundation, recognizing the urgent need for support, mobilized resources on multiple fronts, delivering vital protective equipment to frontline workers and establishing oxygen-equipped temporary COVID care centers across Bharat. In critical times, the Adani Foundation's commitment to saving lives and equipping healthcare infrastructure has made a profound impact, exemplifying its dedication to the well-being of the nation.
Previously, the hospital that was collapsed during 2001 earthquake. After that, immediately our Prime Minister Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee visited the hospital, and he promised Kutch people to give state-of-art earthquake-proof hospital along with the medical college. After that, this medical college will come into the role. We have got the 88 postgraduate students of all specialties, medicine, surgery, gynec, all specialty we have got the post-graduation student. Healthcare sector is very much important, particularly Kutch district. This is the largest district of India, and we have got totally more poor patient in the Kutch district. So area-wise, this is the only single and largest area. So they will require all treatment. For them, if they have to go outside, it will be very difficult. So this is the main hospital for them. Counseling is very much important in each and every case regarding the disease, their prognosis, the complication, the way the surgery will be done. This is the very much important in each and every cases. So patient can know about what are the prognosis, what are the results they will get after the surgery.
In line with our commitment to fostering a healthier Bharat, Adani Healthcare Services is dedicated to delivering clinical services of the highest quality and producing a cadre of undergraduate and postgraduate medical professionals for the nation. These initiatives aim to bridge the gap between the demand and supply of qualified doctors, ensuring that every corner of the country has access to skilled healthcare providers. The vision of Adani Healthcare is closely aligned with the vision of the Adani Group, which is deeply committed to contributing to the nation's development by aligning its infrastructure initiatives with the broader goals of nation building. The Adani Foundation embarked on its healthcare mission to the farthest reaches of rural Bharat with a vision to offer not only preventive and curative services but also comprehensive support to a significant portion of the population in our project villages.
અશોકભાઈ મારો નાનો ભાઈ છે 2014માં એનો બાયપાસ કરાવ્યો હતો સિમ્સમાંથી અને હમણાં 6-8 મહિનાથી આને થોડી રસી નીકળવાની તકલીફ છે લંગ્સમાં કે પાણી છે તો અમે પ્રાઇવેટમાં જવાના હતા પછી બધાએ કીધું કે અહીંયા જીકે અદાણીમાં સારી ટ્રીટમેન્ટ મળે છે તો અમે અહીંયા આવ્યા 13 તારીખે ઓપીડીમાં બતાવ્યો કે મેડમ હતી અને ડૉક્ટર હતા એ નામ ખ્યાલ નથી અમને એ સારો રિસ્પોન્સ આપ્યો અને મને કહ્યું કે ભાઈ તમે એડમિટ કરી નાખો એડમિટ થઈ ગયા 13 તારીખે 14 જે ટેસ્ટો છે અહીંયાની બધો ટાઈમ ટુ ટાઈમ થાય છે ટેબ્લેટ જે બી છે આવે છે જમવાનો છે ક્લિનિંગ એમાંના કોઈ વાતમાં અમને તકલીફ છે જ નહીં અહીંયા અમને એવો ફીલ થઈ જાય કે અમે સિમ્સમાં ઊભા છીએ અમારો ચાર્જીસ તો કાંઈ લાગ્યો નહીં કાંઈ પણ જે 10 રૂપિયા કેસ પેપરના જે રૂલ છે એ લાગ્યો અમારો એમઆરઆઈ હમણાં થશે બીજી લંગ્સ માટે ટેસ્ટ કરી કાલે તો એમાં લંગ્સમાં પાણી નીકળ્યું નહીં મારા સામે જ ઇન્જેક્શન લગાડી અને જે મેડિસિન જોતી હતી એ બધી લઈ આવ્યા હતા પછી કે એમાં લંગ્સમાં પાણી નથી એ ટેસ્ટ એની કરી છે હમણાં જેટલી ટેસ્ટ બ્લડ લીધું છે હમણાં જસ્ટ 15 મિનિટ પહેલાં અને જે ટેસ્ટ એ લોકોને જરૂર લાગે છે ડૉક્ટર્સને એ ટેસ્ટો બધી કરે છે અમારી ક્યાં પણ એમ નથી કહેતા કે ના હાલશે નહીં એ કે ના સરખી રીતે અને રાઉન્ડમાં 3-4 વાળા ડૉક્ટર અલગ અલગ આવે છે આજે કોઈ સ્પેશિયલિસ્ટ હતા કે મેડમ એને બતાવતી હતી કોણ હતા એ ખબર નથી પણ એમાં અમે સેટિસ્ફેક્શન છે અમને 100%. હમણાં જે આયુષ્માન કાર્ડમાં અમે ટ્રીટમેન્ટ લીધી છે તો એ બહુ ગવર્મેન્ટ ઓફ ઇન્ડિયાએ કાઢો અને અદાણી કાર્ડ અહીંયા હલાવે છે જે કે હોસ્પિટલમાં એના બે માટે થેન્ક્સ એના ઘણો પેશન્ટને રાહત થાય છે જેને પાસે પૈસા નથી અહીંયા આવીને ખુશ થઈને ગયા છે અમારા ફ્રેન્ડ જ છે એને તકલીફ હતી અમારો અનુભવ સારો રહ્યો અને આ કાર્ડ ચાલુ રહે હંમેશા માટે એ અમને બહુ માના છે આશા કે ચાલુ જ રહેશે અને રાહત પેશન્ટને મળતી રહે એના માટે થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ બીજી વાર.
In the realm of healthcare, Adani's dedication to Atmanirbhar Bharat serves as the guiding force propelling a transformative journey. Their pursuit of significant milestones is not merely ambitious, it's a testament to the resilience and determination that characterizes our nation's spirit. As we progress, guided by the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership, we are not just reshaping the future, we are actively crafting a destiny where self-reliance and comprehensive development intersect. This mission is intricately tied to Bharat's pursuit of excellence, nurturing a world where traditional barriers are broken and the unimaginable becomes achievable. We are building an ecosystem that empowers individuals in healthcare, ensuring self-sufficiency in medical services and cultivating a sense of pride and prosperity across the healthcare landscape of Bharat. This journey is not solely about attaining global prominence, it's about establishing the groundwork for a Bharat that stands strong, self-reliant and resilient on the international platform. Witness this unstoppable journey of Atmanirbharta. Bharat 2050, Roadmap to Economic Brilliance, a continuous endeavor towards a stronger, boundless and more prosperous nation. A Bharat with no bounds.